Air fryer crispy chili beef bowl, a quick, easy, healthy midweek meal. Slice your steaks before marinating in soy sauce, sesame oil and a pinch of sugar. While that marinates, we're prepping the cucumbers, so mix up pickling juice with garlic, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar and another pinch of sugar. Then take out any anger that you may have with a quick smash to release their flavour. Add them to the pickling juice and set aside. Prep your veg, keeping the whites of the green onions separate. Drain the cucumbers and toss with sesame seeds and chili oil. It's time to make the sauce for the steak. Mix soy sauce, chili sauce and ketchup together. This is going to get really sticky and delicious once in the pan. Now for the rice. Fry the rice, add the peas and leave space to scramble your egg in the corner of the pan. Mix everything together. Coat the steak in corn flour before adding to the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes so that it gets really crispy. Add your veg to a pan and let it soften slightly before adding the sauce. Then it's time to stir in that crispy steak. I mean, look at it all bubbling away! Beef is the perfect, quick and easy option for these healthy bowls. Double or triple your portion for a delicious meal prep for the week. Or freeze ahead. Whatever's easier. Enjoy.